So here is the remote control. This is the original one that I have, and these two are the ones that I bought from you, as you can see it. So I have my TV. So if I change it, you see, it works. But with this two, even though they have the batteries on, let me show you, they are good. So when I click here, it just put this, and I just want to change the channel. You see, I just want to change the channel, and it doesn't allow me. If I press this one, it puts the number 2 on the TV. You see, so it happens with both of them. Let me show you. So it do the same. You see, doesn't work. You see, when I click OK, it just go up. Doesn't do anything in volume, and neither.